Hey guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode number 532, K-diff pairs in an array. So we're given an array of integers and an integer k, and we need to return the number of unique pair of numbers where their difference is k. So the way I want you to think about this is basically two edge cases. So the first case is when k is equal to 0. And if k is equal to 0, then we're going to have a completely different function for that. And the other case is when k is not 0. And that's going to be another completely different solution. So first of all, we're going to go for the solution where k is equal to 0, right? So if k is equal to 0, then we basically want to return the number of duplicates in the array, right? Because when we have like k equals 0, the only way for us to have a difference of 0 is if the two numbers are equal. So we just want to return the number of numbers that are duplicate, so that appear at least 2 times in the array. So we're going to do that. So this is going to be our edge case when k is 0. Now we just have to implement this function. And so yeah, we're just going to loop through all of the numbers, and we're going to return the result, which is going to be how many of them appear at least twice. So we're going to have a count that counts the frequencies of the numbers. We're going to go through all of them, and this is just the classic algorithm to update the count in JavaScript, right? And then what we do is we check if the current count is equal to 2, and if it is, we update result, we increment it by 1, right? And then we just return the result. Okay, so this is our edge case when k is 0. Now the other case is when k is not equal to 0. And if k is not equal to 0, basically we don't care at all about the positions of our numbers in the array. We just care about them being there or not being there. So that's the perfect use case for a set. So we're going to transform our numbers into a set, right? And so what we can now do is we can loop through all of the numbers in our set and check if their paired number is in the set. And if it is in the set, then it means that we can find that pair that has a difference k, and so we can increment our result. So we're going to have another result variable here, and we're going to have to return this result later on. And now what we can do is we can loop through all of the numbers in our set and say, okay, what would be the paired number in this current number, right? So like if I want a number so that when I subtract them, like their difference is k, I want to take the current number and add k to it, right? So that when I take number out of target, I get the difference of k, which is my initial target, right? And so now what I can do is I can check if my set has the target, and if it does, then I know that there is one more pair, which is like the target minus the number, okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to do, is we're going to check if our set has our target, and if it does, then increment the result. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Then we just have to return the result and we're done. So I'm going to submit it to show you that it works. And this is a O of n solution in time complexity and in space complexity. So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and bye.